How to change Facebook Messenger group name. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook Messenger group name. To change it, first of all, open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure here you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here on this chat tab, you will need to search for the group that you'd like to change the name of. Once you find the group, tap on the group to open the chat page, and inside it, here you will be able to see the pencil icon. If in case you didn't see the pencil icon, you may tap on the I button at the top right of this page, and once you reach to this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right, and from this drop down, select change name option. Now you can tap on it and clear the previous name, then add a new name here. Once you have added the name, tap on this save button right here in order to save the changes. By doing so, you will see you have successfully changed your Facebook Messenger group name. Once after changing that, in the chat page, you will be able to see this message that you have changed your group name. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your Facebook Messenger group name. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.